In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to IC Markets account. By the end, you'll be ready to place trades directly from your TradingView charts using your IC Markets account without switching platforms. This process is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Start on your TradingView chart. Look toward the top right of the screen and click the Trade button. This is where TradingView lets you link to supported brokers. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on a chart page rather than just the symbol overview. Clicking Trade opens the broker connection area. In the search bar, type by IC Markets and select it from the list. Be sure you type the name exactly as it appears. If nothing shows up, try a moment later in case the list is still loading and double-check your internet connection. When IC Markets appears, click it to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to choose between IC Markets AU or IC Markets EU. This refers to the region your account is registered in and the regulations that cover it. Pick the option that matches your live or demo account's region. If you're unsure, check which entity your IC Markets account belongs to in your account portal or in your account documents. Selecting the correct region helps ensure a smooth connection and accurate account data. Now, click Connect. TradingView will securely redirect you to the IC Markets website to log in. This part happens on the broker's official page, so your credentials stay private and protected. Enter your login details there and complete the sign-in process. If your account uses additional security, follow the prompts as shown on their site. Only proceed if you recognize the website and connection request. Keeping your account secure is essential. Once you finish logging in on the IC Markets page, you'll be sent back to TradingView, and the connection will be established. And there you go. That's all. From here, you should see that your broker is connected and ready. If something doesn't look right, a quick recheck of the selected region and a stable internet connection usually resolves it. To recap, open Trade on TradingView, search for IC Markets, choose the AU or EU option that matches your account, click Connect, and log in on the IC Markets website. That simple flow links your broker to TradingView, so you can manage positions directly from your charts. Take a moment to confirm you're connected before placing any orders, and you'll be good to go.